Update GPU drivers, essential. NVIDIA download drivers. AMD download drivers. Intel download drivers. Make sure to clean install the drivers. Select Clean Install if available during installation. Reboot after installing. Though, ensure you meet minimum system requirements. Go to the official Doom, the Dark Ages website or Steam page. Confirm your GPU meets the minimum or recommended spec. If your GPU is outdated, e.g. GTX 700 series, older integrated graphics, the game may not run properly even with updated drivers. 3. Force dedicated GPU, laptop users. If you have both integrated, Intel, and dedicated, NVIDIA AMD GPUs. NVIDIA. Right-click Desktop NVIDIA Control Panel, Manage 3D Settings. Under Preferred Graphics Processor, select High Performance NVIDIA Processor. AMD. Right-click Desktop AMD Software Preferences or Graphics. Set Doom as a high-performance application. 4. Verify game files, Steam Epic. Corrupted files can cause driver-related errors. Steam. Library right-click Doom Properties, Installed Files, Verify integrity of game files. Epic Games Launcher. Library click. Next to the game Manage Verify. 5. Run Windows updates. Sometimes missing system components can cause this issue. Open Settings Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install everything, including optional ones related to .NET or DirectX. 6. Reinstall DirectX Visual C++ redistributables. Install the latest DirectX runtime, DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer. Install Visual C++ redistributables, x64 and x86. Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 से 2022 redistributable. 7. Disable overclocking if applicable. If your GPU or CPU is overclocked via MSI Afterburner, BIOS, or other tools, revert to default clock speeds. Overclocking can sometimes cause games to reject the current GPU driver state. 8. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall the game fully. Delete its folder from C:\program files x86. Steam apps common Doom _dark ages. Reinstall fresh. Use compatibility mode. Some users get around this error by launching the game in a different compatibility mode. Right-click on the game's shortcut or .x file. Click Properties Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for. Choose Windows 10 or Windows 8. Also try enabling. Run this program as an administrator. Disable full screen optimizations. Thus, turn off Windows graphics settings, hardware acceleration. Windows can sometimes force a mode that interferes with modern games. Go to Settings System Display. Scroll down and click Graphics. Click on Doom, the Dark Ages, add it manually if needed. Set to High Performance. Click Change Default Graphics Settings. Turn off Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling.